Hey guys, I'm Amaroth, and in this video tutorial I would like to talk about something that is very often forgotten by many modders. So let's just take a look around on this map. There is something missing here. We've got trees, we've got bushes, we've got even mushrooms, we've got some grass. So okay, we've got flora. We've got some unliving things, so we've got rocks, quite a lot of rocks actually. And we've got even NPCs here, so that's great. There isn't anything missing here, or that isn't it? Well, there is one thing which is actually missing here, and those are small things. I see it very often that many users just don't use butterflies, moths, and similar kind of stuff. So let's just try putting something like butterflies around, and you will see how much this scenery will actually change now. So now we have just added some butterflies, but it now looks completely different. It looks way better here. And I would really suggest you to start using those and use around, because there aren't many nuggeters or many modders who actually use them. And it's a shame because they are missing in this map. Those objects can make your map look much more lively. So when we take a look around, just there are many butterfly models, we've got many firefly models, some moths, we got even birds, we've got fish schools, and so on. So what I'm doing, you can use them in Nugget, okay, but I would really suggest you to create game objects for them. So what I'm doing is spawning game objects around, and then I'm using them in my game events. And game events are a really great thing. If you don't know what game events are, they basically they support more things. But what is the most important thing about game events is that they can spawn some game objects and creatures and so on, and they can despawn them as well. So what I've got here is morning, day, evening, and night, as you can see from times as well. And what this does is that basically you've got full day cycle, and whenever there is, for example, moth model, I've got it set in my SQL system that moths are uh, present only during nighttime, and butterflies during daytime. For example, dragonflies are during daytime and in the evening as well. I've got some bats, I've got some birds. Something is during whole day, something is only during evening, and so on. So I don't want to do anything like this. So you can do a lot of things with this, and it really makes your map look way better. So try to do this. Start using those objects, and use even fishes in sea and so on. And just don't assume that you need to use only NPCs to basically populate your map, because you don't have to. You've got many game objects which aren't NPCs, and they are living things as well, and they should really be around. So I hope this was useful for you guys, or maybe I hope that it wasn't, and that you are already using these. But in case you aren't using similar objects, I hope this was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy morning.